Here's how you can clear out all the saved data or learned phrase or words or anything that you might have stored up in your Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. So if there's anything you might have saved there or words that it learned over time, and now you want to just completely clear it all out and just start fresh, here's where you can go to do this. Let's say you're about to start typing and your Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard pops up like this here. You'll see the three dots right here at the top right. So tap on that once, and then you'll see these different settings and options. So go to where it says settings. And now under the settings section here, you'll go to where it says typing. In the typing section, go all the way down to the very bottom, past all this. You will see clear typing data. So when you tap on it, it's going to prompt you and it's going to say, are you sure you want to delete your typing data? So this just clears out all the words that it might have saved in the past, anything you might have like specific phrases. These are all going to be gone, names and everything that you might have it set as a prediction or a suggestion when you're typing. Those are all going to be cleared out. That's what that does, not delete the app, okay? So that is that. If you want to, once you do this, it cannot be undone, just so you know. You'll have to start all over and have those words saved again. There's another guide I did where you can delete individual words. If you just want to remove one word or specific words, check that guide out. Like and sub.